and all over the body there are lovely booties, Zari booties, beautiful diamond motifs, lovely diamond Zari motifs. The motifs are a beautiful, very nice paisley motif. It's got beautiful pastel blocks in the bottom. As you can see, it's beautiful, lovely pastel candy stripes. Got beautiful triangular motifs on the body in yellow. Very, very striking, very, very deep lipstick pink, very, very deep pink. And if you see, the whole body has got lovely triangle motifs, vertical Zari stripes. Borders are very, very nice Hira motifs, diamond motifs, or Hira motifs as it's called in Hindi. Very elegant. 3 broad stripes of purple, and that is laced with lovely silver Zari. And in between the 3 thick bands, there are thinner bands of purple pastel. This is a very, very special because this is a silver Zari, and it's almost like tissue Zari all over. The Maheshwari Saree is woven in the town of Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh. It's a lovely town. It's a very historic town. It's located on the north banks of the Narmada River. And historically, Maheshwari weaving has flourished here over the many decades of various rules by different kings. Finally, the Malwa dynasty. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in the Avishya Handloom Saree Story series, we're going to be looking at Pastel Maheshwari Sarees. The Maheshwari Saree is famous especially, and its uniqueness comes from the borders of a sari, and each Maheshwari sari, the borders have got very distinctive, lovely geometric designs which are supposed to have been inspired by the Maheshwar fort in Maheshwar town. So today let's start looking at this special collection of Maheshwari sarees. It's a very, very special collection. It's a pastel Maheshwari collection. So today I'll start off with this lovely mauve Maheshwari saree. Let me show you this beautiful mauve tone Maheshwari saree. I'll open it out for you. The body is a beautiful, lovely, it's a bluish mauve, and Maheshwari sarees are folded this way. Typically they're folded horizontally, so I need to open this out, show the saree to you. So this is how the body looks. One more fold. Let me open it out in full. This is how the body looks. Lovely, beautiful, very, very nice, very light blue and mauve. It's a short color. It's beautifully woven, and all over the body there are lovely booties, Zari booties. And of course, if you come closer, you can take a look at the booties in the body. And of course, it's a very, very self-checks. The weave is in such a way that the threads form a check pattern in the background, and that looks very nice in the booties. Lovely diamond booties. And if you come closer to the border, lovely, beautiful Zari border. It's a small border on both sides. Beautiful diamond motifs, lovely diamond Zari motifs, and very traditional edging on both sides. So it's a very classy finish, and it's got a beautiful plum-colored edge to the selvage to the sari, or in Hindi they call it kinara. So it's a lovely, beautiful plum which contrasts very nicely with the weave, mauve weave of the sari. In fact, okay, I'll continue. In fact, if you see the weave of the sari itself, I told you it's a short color. So you can see that there is an element of the plum red in the background itself, which is combining beautifully with the mauve, and which is what is giving it the slightly bluish effect. Now let's look at the pallu of the sari. It's a nice, beautiful, very elegantly woven pallu. Zari stripes, 3 thick bands of Zari stripes. Between the 3 Zari stripes, you can see nice, beautiful diamond booties, lovely diamond booties. The same pattern which is there on the body is replicated on the pallu. And of course, this is enhanced even more by the lovely stripes of Zari. 1, 2, 3, 4 stripes this side and 4 stripes on the other side. So this is how the whole panel is formed. It's very, very beautiful. And of course, you have a lovely tissue kind of finish which gives it a very glistening, very lovely look to the pallu of the sari. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Blouse is a running blouse. So it's a very elegant blue. The blouse is a beautiful, lovely, elegant blue which sets up very nicely against a very, very beautifully, elegantly designed pallu and the body. So this is how the whole thing will look like. The pallu, the body, and the blouse. Next in the Pastel Maheshwari collection comes this lovely, beautiful, very, very light, I would say it's a teal blue or an aqua green. It's a beautiful tone. It's a lovely sari, beautiful color. It's really nice. As you can see, this lovely micro checks all over the body on this beautiful aqua blue background, and the motifs are a beautiful, very nice paisley motif, which is one in Zari and one in white thread work. So it's alternating all over the body, so it gives it a very, very pretty look. And of course, very, very specially, you should take a look at being a Maheshwari sari, the border is so important. It's lovely diagonal lines, beautiful diagonal lines, and very thickly woven, and the diagonal lines in the end are encased by chevron motifs. Chevron motifs on this side and chevron motifs on this side, right? And the diamond motif, very, very thick check motif finish on this side. So it's beautifully, very, very classic Maheshwari, very classic geometric motifs. This is the body of the sari. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Nice, beautiful, beautiful, more very, very closely woven paisley motifs. These are very longer. The ones in the body are longer motifs. These are very, very rounded rounded paisleys, as you can notice. Very rounded paisleys, again alternating between white and zari, and on the aqua blue background, it looks fabulous. And of course, the background, the lovely zari stripes here. And on both sides of the center panel, you have 3 vertical stripes, beautiful zari stripes, which are parted, and then very thick stripes. So it's a play on stripes on both sides. And ending off with the pallu is ending off with beautiful diagonal zari stripes again, very thickly woven diagonal zari stripes, and very nice thin line of alternating lovely zipline kind of zari stripes here. Beautiful stitched finish. It's very elegant and very nice. And overall, the impact is there. It's a very classy saree. The combination of colors. I have now opened out the blouse for you. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Should be a plain. Yeah, it's beautiful. Lovely zari stripes. I'll just open it out so that I can see the blouse really well. This is how the blouse looks. It's beautiful. Lovely aqua blue zari stripes. Beautiful blouse. Of course, the blouse has got the thick borders on both sides with the diagonal motifs and the chevron motifs. It's very nice. So overall, the blouse, the way it will combine with the pallu and the saree itself, this is how the whole thing will look. So it's a very elegant saree. Yes, next in the Pastel Maheshwari collection, we'll have a look at this very interesting saree. This has got a very ivory white background, and I'll open out the saree in full so that we get an impact of how the saree looks. Beautiful. This is a lovely off-white or ivory white saree, and it's got beautiful pastel blocks in the bottom. As you can see, it's a beautiful, there's a lovely temple motif which is woven here. Then there's a lovely lilac block of lilac, beautiful pale lilac, and there's a beautiful blue here, very nice blue, and then there's a yellow. So it's beautiful color blocks in pastel tones, and of course the body is a lovely ivory. The same colors in the top, in the bottom are replicated here, minus the temple borders. So overall, it's a very stylish saree. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Wow, nice, beautiful, lovely pastel candy stripes, if I can say so. Pastel candy stripes in 4 different colors, lovely pink, yellow, aqua blue, and lilac. It's very nice. 4 color bands, beautiful vertical stripes on the pallu. And let's see how the blouse looks like. The blouse, I think, is a plain white blouse. So this is how this would look. It's a plain white, borders are there, and it's a plain white blouse along with the pallu in the body. It's a very stylish saree. It's like the impact is a white saree or an off-white ivory saree with beautiful pastel color blocks in stripes and vertical stripes and horizontal stripes. It's really dashing. Next, we'll have a look at this lovely, beautiful pale green Maheshwari saree. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, lovely green, beautiful. This is again a very greenish, bluish green, I would say. Lovely color, very stark, very nice. It's got beautiful triangular motifs on the body in yellow. Very nice contrast, and the borders are as again a classic Maheshwari saree. The borders are stunning, beautiful cuboid motifs on the borders. If you can come closer and see, it's got diamond motifs within some of the squares, and it's got vertical stripes in some of the squares, and then it's also got chevrons in one of the squares. So the chevron, the diamond, and the vertical stripes alternate with each other and form these blocks. So beautifully, very geometrically designed, and classic architectural design, very geometric, as you know. And then let's see the pallu. Wow, pallu is very striking, very deep lipstick pink, very deep pink, alternating with silver zari stripes. So which is what, on the pink and the silver zari have got a very stunning look together. And of course, setting off with the body of the saree in green, this is a very stylish, very striking saree. And I'm sure the blouse, let me see what the blouse looks like. Yes, beautiful, lovely contrast color blouse in this dashing pink, almost bordering on magenta, very dashing pink. So you can see how it looks together, the blouse, the pallu, and the body. Beautifully designed, very striking saree. Next, we look at this beautiful sky blue Pastel Maheshwari saree. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, beautiful, lovely sky blue body, beautiful color. And if you see the borders have got 2 tones, 3 levels. This sky blue background starts off with a very nice, very denim blue, very deep Mediterranean blue. And there's a lovely shade of green, and moves on to the border, which is a very this is not a zari border, it's a threadwork border. As you can see, if you come closer, very beautiful diagonal stripes. There's almost a brickwork like finish here, almost like a construction finish, typical of a fort. Very nice diagonal bricks. It's beautifully stacked on top of each other like this, beautifully done. And this entire work is in thread work, so it's woven. If you see the reverse of this, it looks beautiful. The weaving, the detail, if you look at it, it's very nice, beautifully woven saree. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Yes, for a minimal saree, the pallu is also minimal. Very nice, lovely green background with beautiful lavender or purple stripes, color block stripes in purple. It's very nicely done. So the purple and the green and the sky blue of the body together look very pretty. So So let us see what the, and of course, in between, right in between the purple, there's lovely gray stripes as well. To set off the purple, there are gray, 2 stripes of gray here. So it's very, very nice. Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a plain sky blue blouse, the same running blouse. The body is coming on the blouse as well. So this is how the whole thing would look together. The body, the pallu, and the blouse. This is how it would look. Next, we look at this beautiful pink, pale pink Maheshwari Saree. I'll just open it out to you. Lovely, beautiful pink. It's a lovely pink with a tone of lavender. It's a very, very mild tone of lavender on the pink, lavender or violet in the pink. It's beautiful. And if you see, the whole body has got lovely triangle motifs in deep purple. It's very, very nicely done. And because the tone is a pink with a lavender tone, the motifs look very, very nice. And of course, the borders are stunning. This is the very, very lovely, very typical traditional Maheshwari border. And I think we saw this earlier. Some of these borders have got lovely triangular Tetris-like motifs. It's also got chevron motifs. Then there are some vertical stripes. And then in each block, this combination of triangular motifs, the chevron motifs, and the vertical block motifs are alternating with each other to form this lovely stack of border. It's beautiful. Again, it's very, very inspired by the Maheshwar fort, some of the patterns and architecture in the Maheshwar fort. So it's very, very classic, very typical Maheshwari Saree. Let's see what the pallu looks like. I'll just flip it around for you. Yes, beautiful vertical zari stripes. Lovely vertical zari stripes in deep purple. So that's the theme, the pink and purple theme of the saree. Beautiful pastel pink contrasted with a nice rich dark purple, and zari stripes on the pallu make the saree look just stunning. Very, very nice. Very sensational. And let's see what the blouse looks like. It should be a running blouse, I think. No, this is a contrast. I was wrong. This is a beautiful contrast blouse. So the contrast of purple is running nicely with the, let's open it out. Yeah, this is how the whole thing would look together. The pallu, the lovely golden stripes, the blouse, and the body of the saree. Overall, it's a very, very beautifully designed, stunningly designed saree. For a pale pastel saree, the contrast in the saree give it a lot of pop, and overall, it gives a very good impact. Next, we'll move on to this beautiful, lovely pista green Maheshwari saree. It's very, very pretty. The color is very striking. I'll open this out to you. It's really nice. With the borders are very, very nice Hira motifs, diamond motifs, or Hira motifs as it's called in Hindi. And the edge of the border, the kinara or the selvage is in lovely, lovely purple. Very, very, this is a very, very lovely tone of purple. Very deep, very, very fruity, very, very nice. So the jamun color and the silver and the green together work very, very beautifully. Exquisite saree. So this is the body of the saree. Let me flip this around. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Wow, nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful, lovely pallu. Very minimal but very elegant. 3 broad stripes of purple, and that is laced with lovely silver zari. And in between the 3 thick bands, there are thinner bands of purple and silver zari alternating. So overall, it looks very stylish. It's a very stylishly designed saree. It's beautiful. Let's see what the blouse look like. Oh wow, nice, nice, beautiful blouse. So pretty. It's so nice. If you can come closer, you'll see how the blouse looks. So beautiful. It's a kind of a lovely woven purple finish, the denim finish in purple. The purple threads have been woven with white. So it's got a purple hue, but it's got the white interlay in the weaving itself. It looks very pretty. And of course, the pallu and the saree. So it's very, very stylish saree. Next, we'll see this beautiful peachish orange, or very, very lovely tone. It's got micro checks and silver zari all over the body. Yes, beautiful. Lovely tone. It's very, very, I would say this more of a papaya tone. It's a light papaya tone background. Beautiful. More than peach. Slightly darker than peach. It's got an orange tinge, so it's more of a papaya background, I would say. And lovely white self checks all over the body. And of course, beautiful border, silver zari border, which has got chevron stripes. Lovely band of chevrons. And then some diamond motifs as well. On both sides of the chevron, there are diamond motifs. So it's beautiful. Very, very classic. Very special Maheshwari border. It's very nice. And overall, the light papaya color, the silver zari gives it a very classy look. Let's see what the pallu looks like. I'll flip it around to you. Beautiful. Nice. Very, very minimal. Very nice. Here it's a slightly darker papaya color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bands. And then in between there are these lighter bands with its stripes, with zari stripes. And there are 3 thick silver zari stripes as well. So it's a play of colors and stripes, thin stripes, thick stripes, light papaya, dark papaya, silver zari bands. Overall, it's very, very stylishly designed and combines very nicely with the body of the saree. Let's take a look at what the blouse looks like. Very nice. They've designed a beautiful, lovely lovely, very, very nice frosty white blouse. It's a very nice frosty white. And the frosty white combines nicely with the silver zari and the pallu and the body. Overall, this is how it would look. It's very, very, very stylish, very minimally stylish sari. Next, we see a very special pastel. This is a very special because this is a silver zari sari and it's almost like tissue sari all over. It is tissue sari. It's very light. The sari is feather light. So this is indeed a very special sari. It's got all over tissue sari. It's very light, very feather light, and this is a fabulous sari. This is a shade of silver. It's very nice, almost like it's got a tone of platinum, and it's got stripes, vertical stripes all over the body, and the edging. This is a slightly unconventional Maheshwari, so it doesn't have those broad borders and motifs there. It's a very thin band of silver. The border is very nice, and the bluish platinum body and the silver zari stripes and the silver border. And let's see what the pallu looks like. This is a very sensational sari. Wow, nice. More of a metal impact again. Lovely. More stripes, thicker silver zari stripes, and very interplay of stripes. And the body is very nice. Same thing continues with bands of thick silver here. That's the pallu. Very minimal design. The whole impact here is the silver and platinum. Very metallic sari. So this is really metallic pastel. Very nice. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow. They've contrasted that with thicker stripes, broader stripes here against the thinner stripes of the body and the pallu. The blouse has got lovely, beautiful parallel lines and stripes, the same color as the body. Overall is very stunning. This is a absolute stunner of a sari. You can go in a blaze of silver and platinum when you wear this sari. So this is really a stunner. Let's move on to the next one. So last but not the least in this collection is a lovely Lavender Maheshwari Saree. Let's take a look at how this looks like. I'll open it out for you. This is how the body looks. It's nice, beautiful, lovely lavender, all lavender body, lovely lavender with beautiful silver teardrop motifs, beautiful silver teardrop motifs, and the border again is very stylish. It's a very unconventional Maheshwari, so the borders are not thick, very thin silver band on both sides. So the silver and the lavender go very nicely together with the booties all over the body. Let's see what the pallu of the sari looks like. Yes, beautiful. More of the silver teardrops all over the pallu, very much closer to each other, woven much closer to each other. And on both sides of the teardrop silver motifs, you have thick silver bands on both sides. One this side, one on that side. It's very nice. It shimmers beautifully, and then some thinner stripes as well. So overall, the lavender and the silver together look very stylish, very edgy sari. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, the blouse is a lovely, beautiful, plain lavender blouse, which contrasts very nicely with the beautiful weaving on the pallu and nice, beautiful weaving on the body as well. So this is how it would look. The blouse, the body, and the pallu. Overall, very minimal, absolutely stunning style, monotone, pastel Maheshwari sari to sign off this collection of pastel Maheshwaris. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, seeing these saris, and watching this video. We take a lot of effort to source these saris for you from our viewers. It's from Maheshwar. It's a handloom sari, and it's a special collection we put together of pastel Maheshwaris for you. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you keep getting our videos in your feed so that you don't miss any of them. If you're loving this, you shouldn't miss even one of these videos. And of course, if you like these videos, please do share them. Share them with your friends, with your neighbors, with your colleagues at work, wherever you think people will enjoy beautiful saris. I think you can share them, and people will love you for sharing our videos. And once again, thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.